What's up, guys? It's your boy Jimmy here, and today we're tackling a problem that's been haunting humanity since the dawn of snacks broken cookies. You know what I'm talking about? You open up a pack hoping for a perfect Dunkin' experience, and bam, crumbles everywhere. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to blow your minds with 6 incredible recipes that transform those sad, broken cookie pieces into culinary masterpieces. We're talking taste bud tantalizing treats that'll have you smashing those cookies on purpose. Before we get started, hit that like button, harder than I hit the subscribe button on PewDiePie's channel back in the day. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on another epic culinary adventure. Alright, Cookie Monsters, let's get this ice cream party started. First up, we need 2 cups of those glorious cookie crumbs. Don't be shy, crush them up real good. Next, grab your favorite vanilla ice cream. We're talking a whole pint, baby. Let it soften up a bit so it's ready for some serious mixin'. Now gently fold those cookie crumbs into the ice cream, like you're tucking in a food baby for a nap. Once everything's nice and combined, spread that deliciousness into a freezer-safe container. Pop it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it's solid enough to scoop. Trust me, this ice cream is so good, you'll be intentionally smashing cookies from now on. Get ready to shake things up with this ridiculously easy cookie milkshake. Toss 1 cup of those precious cookie crumbs into your blender. It's their time to shine. Add 2 scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream. Again, we're going with the classics here, folks. Now pour in 1 cup of milk. Any kind will do, but I'm feeling that whole milk richness today. Blend that glorious concoction until it's smooth, creamy, and begging to be sipped. Pour it into your coolest glass. Top it with some whipped cream and extra cookie crumbles. Because why not? Who's ready to get fancy? Don't worry, these cookie truffles are surprisingly simple to make. Pulse 2 cups of those magnificent cookie crumbs in a food processor until they're finely ground. Next, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and half a cup of powdered sugar. Pulse everything together until it forms a smooth, irresistible dough. Roll that dough into bite-sized balls, about 1 inch in diameter. Now here's where you can get creative. Dip those truffles in melted chocolate, roll them in sprinkles, or get wild with some chopped nuts. Place them on a parchment-lined tray and let them chill in the fridge for at least an hour. Boom! You just made gourmet-level treats with broken cookies. Talk about a glow-up. Chapter 4. Cookie Pie Crust. The crust you never knew you needed. Ready to take your pie game to the next level? This cookie crust is about to blow your mind. Crush 2 cups of those cookie crumbs into fine oblivion. We want them super smooth for this one. Melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and pour it into the cookie crumbs. Stir it all together until it's well combined and resembles wet sand. Press that mixture into a 9-inch pie plate, making sure it's nice and even. Bake the crust for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until it's lightly golden brown. Once it's cooled, you can fill it with your favorite pie filling. Fruit, cream, chocolate. The possibilities are endless. This crust is so good you might just eat it all before the pie even gets a chance. Chapter 5. Cookie Parfait, Layers of Deliciousness. Let's get layered, baby. This cookie parfait is all about that sweet, sweet stratification. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of honey, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Now grab your favorite glass and start layering. First, a layer of those irresistible cookie crumbs, then a layer of that creamy yogurt goodness. Repeat those layers until your glass is full, ending with a sprinkle of cookie crumbs on top. Pop it in the fridge for a bit to let those flavors meld, then grab a spoon and prepare for pure bliss. Chapter 6. Cookie Bark. Break me off a piece of that. Last but not least, we're ending this cookie extravaganza with a bang. Cookie Bark. This one's so easy you won't believe it. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Gotta keep things tidy. Melt 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. You can do this in the microwave in 30-second bursts or use a double boiler if you're feeling fancy. Once the chocolate is smooth and melty, spread it out on the prepared baking sheet. Sprinkle those glorious cookie crumbs over the melted chocolate, pressing them in gently. Get creative and add some extra toppings. Nuts, pretzels, dried fruit, you name it. Let the bark cool completely at room temperature or in the fridge if you're impatient like me. Once it's set, break it into pieces and get ready to snack. You just turned broken cookies into a masterpiece. And there you have it, folks. 6 incredible ways to transform those sad, lonely, broken cookies into culinary superstars. Which recipe are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're now officially a cookie crumb convert, and subscribe for more mind-blowing food hacks and recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the fun. Peace out, Cookie Crew.